Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Blockies Transformers Galaxy version 081 Shall Fall. Thank you very much, Blockies, for sending this package for unboxing, review, and customization. Meron pa silang binigay ng mga gifts for this video. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sponsoring Ralph Cifra Toy Customs. Thank you very much. So sa box, Galaxy version 081 shall fall of the shot of the action figures. You have Unicron, Optimus Prime, and many other characters. Come gather your Cybertron army. It's a genuine license. Hero 10, 9 designs may have secret design. All body joints are movable. More than meets the eye. Authentic, no duplicate figures in the package. So ito yung package niya. You can have Optimus Prime hidden style. So ito yung chase version. So ito yung pinaka rare. Optimus Prime 112, Hot Rod, Metroplex, Sludge Alt Mode, Blitzwing, Shrapnel, Sharkticon, and Unicron head. So overall they have 9 designs, and you can open the secret version. Okay? So buksan na natin 'to. Nga pala, ang binigay nila sa ating gift, ito mga momser, si Unicron Cybertron head. A Unicron head and the Arc. Okay, so here's the sample of the box design. So ito yung front, you have Optimus Prime, and yung mga makukuha nyo dito. So you have Optimus Prime, hidden style, and some other or some other collectibles. Yan. So pag binuksan natin, dito na yung model kit, and you have the card. So meron siyang card. Hanapin natin yung card ni Sharkticon. Where's Sharkticon? There you go. You have the card and the manual. So yan yung contents ng package. So you have the manual, card, and the figure itself. All right, konting definition lang about Blockies. With the mission pass on the fun of building, Blockies believes that the power of building can enlighten endless creation. Blockies is dedicated to creating delicate model kits and collectible items in different sizes for all age groups, working with famous brands and IPs like Disney, Hasbro, Pokemon, Ultraman, Transformers, and more. We help you build your favorite original characters in the most authentic way. We delight in bringing these playful products full of imagination to global consumers. All right, this is Optimus Prime out of the packaging. So yung mga parts niya, it's very simple lang to build and very fun. Actually, super fun to build yung mga parts na to. Yan. Pag dumating siya sa inyo, nakabalot siya ng plastic. Sealed naman yun. So you have the body, the arms, and also meron din manual for your building guide. Body, the arms, the waist, and dali lang naman siya buuin. May mga pegs din. Safe din to for kids. Wala masyadong sharp na edges. Very, very cool na mga parts, and very smooth. Yeah, no sharp edges at all. Tapos, easy to pop. Easy rin na tanggalin yung mga parts kung gusto nyo gumawa ng mga kit bash or mix and match na mga parts from other characters, pwede rin. Yeah, so this is Optimus Prime with the red body, very angular in design. You have the blue head, silver faceplate, a gray faceplate. You have the white legs, white thighs pala, and blue legs. Dito naman si Sharkticon. In terms of articulation pala, improve articulation to mga momser. Kasi dati yung Blackies, wala siyang ab crunch. So ito mas improved yung articulation niya. Very nice. Mas marami tayong magagawang dynamic poses dito. So head can look up, down, 360. Tapos pwede mo pang i-rotate yung kamay niya up, double jointed yung elbow, and also can twist this part, ab crunch. Tapos kick that far, back that far, nice. Out, double jointed knee, and ball joint yung paa. Tapos meron din siyang weapon na blaster. So that's cool. Okay, dito naman kay Sharkticon, very nice color scheme, gray and lilac na color scheme and also light blue. You can articulate the teeth. You have the very large eyes. You have the fins. Parang chain ball dun sa kanyang spike ball dun sa kanyang tail. Large feet, large body also. The gray matte gray satin finish. Ganda ng articulation nito dito sa mouth niya. Okay, next we have Blitzwing. Very nice color scheme also. Very bright purple, yellow, red, and so tan na section dito sa kanyang shoulders. You have the yellow head. You have the back. Very nice back. I think this is a tank. Some sort of a tank na alt mode. Tapos, you can also articulate the wings. Same lang articulation. Halos sa kay Optimus Prime. Very cool na design dito kay Blitzwing. You have the angular chest, Decepticon logo, purple na mga sections, purple wings. Very cool contrast. And you have the large sword for accessories. Alright, next you have Metroplex. Tama ba? This Metroplex. Yeah, Metroplex with a smaller version of Optimus Prime dito sa kanyang hand. Very nice accessory. Yun nga lang, medyo loose yung kanyang legs. Both of the legs of Metroplex, medyo loose siya. Look at the very angular na chest. You have the white and gray na color scheme and also red. Very nice color scheme. Si Optimus Prime dito, it's black or rather dark gray. Tapos meron siyang sort of red antenna dun sa both of his ears. Ito naman yung likod. Parang meron mga boosters of some sort or mga dials, exhaust. Okay. Alright, next we have Sludge. It's a alt mode ni Sludge. It's a dinosaur. Tapos meron din crazy eyes. Pwede nyo rin tanggalin yung crazy eyes para magmukha siyang ganito. Articulated din yung kanyang mouth. And astig lang na pwede nyo ilagay yung, yung crazy eyes to recreate yung iconic 1986 scene where Devastator stomps on Sludge. And nagkaroon siya ng, ng crazy eyes na status. Articulated din yung paa and arms. Ito ba? Articulated ba to? Okay. So this one is one piece. Ito, dalawa to. Okay. So yun yung articulation niya. Okay. You can also rotate the leg. The tail pala. Sorry. You have the gray body. May mga mechanism dito sa kanyang body. Some sort of railing. And yeah, I like the crazy eyes feature. Some sort of yellow segment dito sa kanyang back. Okay, next we have Shrapnel. Decepticon logo sa gitna. You have the gray body, yellow section sa gitna. And very nice feature. Pwede matakpan yung kanyang head with these kind of mechanism or segments. Tapos meron din siyang some sort of a blaster weapon. Yung purple niya, I think pareho lang dito kay Blitzwing. Yeah, it's the same shade. You have the dark gray body, light gray na thighs, dark gray na feet, dark gray na body. Tapos ito yung kanyang back with some sort of boosters. Tapos ito yung maganda sa kanya. Accessory niya parang maliit na some sort of beetle na transformers. Very cool. So you have the purple section, the yellow section, the Decepticon logo, and the gray section ng mga legs niya. Alright, next we have Sludge na robot mode. So you have the red body, you have the target na logo here or design. Very nice head. And meron siyang malaking parang segment dito. I think part siya ng dinosaur mode niya. Tapos you have the gray na arms and legs. Tapos, thighs. Tapos yung light gray yung kanyang legs. Nabubuksan ba to? Hindi. Okay. Hindi. Okay. Alright. And then you have the yellow feet. Very nice contrast dun sa yellow feet and red na body. Very cool. So you have visual contrast din dito. Very neutral kasi itong part na to eh. So at least meron siyang red body and yellow feet. All right, next, hot rod. So you have the parang fishing pole yung kanyang weapon with some sort of device na naka-attach dun sa dulo. Meron siyang mga guns or laser beams dito sa kanyang arms. And also, you have the fire emblem here, Autobots logo, a red na armor, and then you have the wings at the back, yellow wings, very nice. Tapos ang ganda nitong weapon niya, some sort of a rotary tool. Uh, it can cut through things. Very very nice weapon. Tapos ito yung gift sa atin ni Blockies. Thank you very much, Blockies. Super cool ng Unicron head na to kasi translucent siya. Wait lang. Meron din akong yung normal na design. Ito yung normal na plastic colors. Hindi siya translucent. Wait lang. Kabit din natin for comparison. Nakakamiss din magkaroon ng blockies na stand kasi usually yung mga blockies natin may stand talaga to eh. Meron silang base. Ayan, pwede kang mag-attach ng base din dito. Pero hindi na sila nag-include para dito sa set na to. So ito yung normal na Unicron head and you have the special na translucent plastic. Stick din ng design na to kasi ano siya, translucent so you can shine the lights. Yeah. Ayan o. You can shine lights through it. So that's very cool. Then kapag gusto niyo ng light show, stick din ng stick na tumatagos din yung light through the sections ng unicorn head. Ayan. I think dito pwede rin naman. Pero sa ice lang. Ay, hindi. Hindi pwede. Hindi siya tatagos. Yan. Tapos mga ma'am certain, last super cool, it's the ARC. So storage system siya para um, sa mga accessories. So you have the alt hands, meron silang mga extra na joints na pinaprovide, extra weapons. Pwede nyo lahat ilagay dito. Alright mga ma'am sir, super cool na mga blockies ng mga collectibles and model kits. Okay, recap lang natin. You have Unicron, a translucent, a special color, special na build. You have the Arc, you have Metroplex, you have Sludge, Robot Mode, Unicron, the normal na plastic, normal release mode, normal release na version. You have, sino nga pala ito? Blitzwing? I think Blitzwing, ay hindi, wait lang. Yeah, Blitzwing. You have Sludge na alt mode, yung dinosaur. Tapos, Optimus Prime here. Let's go. Sharkticon. Ito, Sharkticon. Tapos, si Unicron, special color. And Hot Rod. And then si Shrapnel. Alright, so yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much Blockies for sponsoring this video. Hopefully soon magkaroon pa tayo ng mas maraming project collaborations. This will be customized very, very soon. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!